Let me see.
What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. It's Catch Me Fishing here. We're in Northern Ontario today in Canada, fishing for perch.
Nice, bro. Beautiful.
Said no pussy cats inside the doghouse. See the snow, the weight of the snow, pushing all the water.
Trying to gulp it. Can't, I gotta get the minnow out. It's still alive.
Show it. Wow. Real minnow? Show the
I
fish.
think it's a goby.
Nice. What the fuck? Go home, buddy. Little taste test. Fire. Nice. All right, boys. So, ladies and gentlemen, now we are at the taste test. You can get a little shot of that. You see that? Nice. Cheers. Fire. Unreal. 10 out of 10.